Regardless of that, the fans have found a way of getting here. There is a sense of theatre and the decibel levels are rising. If you're just joining us, we are already underway. Oh, that's well spotted. Kvaratskhelia. Oh, facing up to his adversary. This is a formidable matchup. Kvaratskhelia!
Well, he got rid because he was under pressure.
Bruno Fernandes did well to emerge with the ball. That's a contest to keep an eye on. Real chance! Real chance! Goal!
Well, talk about a real rude awakening. It's almost as if the defence saw nothing coming. They just didn't.
Roberto Carlos gets across to intercept that. Now it's Haaland. He's got a side of goal. Oh, fuck. Alexander-Arnold. He's going for goal. It's loose and there's a race for the ball. And he's managed to get free. And now they can spring out of defence. Oh, now here's an interesting matchup. He's got away. Strong running down that left flank. Alexander-Arnold defending his corner stubbornly, stood up very well to his man. Bruno Fernandes. Oh, really good feet. Nice try, but he wasn't buying it. Great chance! And the keeper has... De Ligt. Couldn't squeeze it through. Scholes. It's a pretty loose pass. And it's Dembele. He's had a shot! They've done it! They have come roaring back! Just willing running on one side, dogged defence on the other. Mbappe! Dembele. Oh, he's going to be disappointed with that. Now it's Ødegaard. Big chance! They've scored!
Well, I think there's a few trying to claim offside, but he looks to have been on. Yeah, he was on.
That's a good ball played into space. Haaland! He's got a goal! And once more we are all square. You score, we score.
Yeah, and analysis of the goal should take a back seat to the importance of a committed reaction. This is wonderful to watch.
Lot. Bang!
That is just the top drawer finish. He was always in control.
It is quite a game, breathless and laced with excitement. What a good half. They've gone blow for blow. And the shot! Marvellous goal!
Oh, the skipper has made such an important difference to put them in the lead. Applauding the effort he made.
Yamal. And he skips past his man. He's picked his way through. He slipped. Oh, he's brought him down, and it is a penalty. And that really is the last thing they wanted to do.
Well, it was deliberate, it was cynical, clear opportunity, but it had to be done.
Calm as you like, and they're running away with it. It's him again. So the lead now is 2.
Well, they're very much the better team at the moment.
Climbs up big! Schneider! He has done it! Heroic goalkeeping, but even that couldn't save them this time.
Oh, Peter, you can't teach that. You either have it or you don't. Everyone else's. Superb.
They were certainly tested. Now it's Haaland! And kept out by the most... scores! Great corner, and he did the rest. Or a direct hit. And Iker Casillas somehow saves it.
Don't you just love the level of intensity here? Neither is prepared to back down, and to be honest, that's how it should be.
Goes in for the header! Goal! Milan! That's an inspired substitution. Terrific move by the boss.
That's just as the manager would have seen it. An impact sub.
Great chance! They've scored! A game of thrills.
All tails most definitely up now.
Well-timed, excellent interception. Kostic. He's found a way through. Header! Defending of the desperate variety. Oh, not this time, but...
6 added minutes has been indicated.
He's looking to set free. Haaland! And the follow-up. Great effort. He flew in with courage.
Haaland instinctively knew that it was his best option. The planning beat the execution, though.
And it's Griezmann. Now it's Rodrigo. Now it's Haaland. Oh, the ball's come loose here. That's it.
Griezmann, number 26.
Into extra time we go.
Coming on the field.
Milan conceded an equaliser late on. Now they have to do it all again. Do they? It's Cristiano Ronaldo! It's loose now and they want to get it back. And they've got it back as soon as they gave it away. Now it's Mohamed Salah. Oh, shooting chance! Brilliant, brilliant Mohamed Salah! Late in the day, this could well be it! Well, this is what we've been waiting for.
Listen, when it comes to goals, Peter, in this team, he's always the #1 contender, and he's done it again.
I've managed to get it away. And he's had it nicked away. And the counter is on. Kostic! Looking for the runner. Kostic. Danger of... That has been slung wide. Chance for the header! Now, who's going to be first to this? Oh. Rudiger with the clearance. Oh, terrible pass.
I think it's time for them to concentrate on closing this one out.
Chance! He's scored! Dying minutes, and we're all square again.
The understanding between those two plays...
So all square with almost no time remaining.
It just goes to show you what determination can achieve. OK, there isn't much time left, but if we have to find a winner now, there's no question who I'll be backing.
Delivers with whip. He'll try to keep this alive. Great hit! Terrific effort, but that's it. The end of 2 hours action.
I can only applaud the sheer doggedness and...